Wake up! Power! Wake up! 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 No!
It is me, Shweihninzy. As you guys saw, I make avocado toast. In the morning, I just finished my first piece of avocado toast. I'm on my second piece. Like, I eat this every morning, but because of the quarantine, like, it's so hard to go to the grocery, and like ordering stuff online, like, you know, for like pickup and stuff at the grocery store is really hard. So I haven't had avocados in for like over a week or more. It has just felt so odd not having my avocado toast. First world problems. Pardon my appearance, but today you guys are gonna follow me around and my boyfriend on a typical day. Like, this is our routine. We've been, you know, at home for, I bet you, like almost a month, being quarantined, and so we have a pretty solid routine down. Yeah, I feel comfortable enough to be like, okay, this is what we do every single day. Like, it is pretty solid. So, like I said, for 20 times, for the 20th time, we have a solid routine. But this is me looking like a fetus. I'm gonna be filming between like my DSLR, and then this is my DJI Osmo Pocket. So, you know, it's easy to film with the Osmo Pocket. So, kind of do a little vlog style. But yeah, like you guys saw, I normally just start the morning off very rough. I have my boyfriend wake me up. I have an alarm for 9 a.m. and I always turn it off, and then I don't wake up. Like, I am a solid sleeper. Sorry, I had to take a bite. My toast is getting a little cold and then it gets a little soggy from the avocado. So I'm gonna finish eating my toast, and yeah, just here's my quarantine day in the life kind of video. Alright, so a lot of you guys have been asking me what my skincare routine has been, and, oh, pardon my mirror, it's kind of dirty. A lot of you guys have been asking what my skincare routine is, and it's pretty much exactly the same as it was before when I filmed my skincare routine. So I've got all my skincare products next to me here. I start with the Acure eye cream here. This is the Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream. I get mine at TJ Maxx. I usually get like 2 at a time because it's just easier that way, and I put my eye cream on first. And then I follow up with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and that's all I do for my morning skincare, just moisturizer and eye cream. Some kind of like tinted eye cream as well, like if I'm going out or something. So sometimes I put this on and sometimes I don't. This is the Garnier Clearly Brighter Anti-Dark Circle roller, and I have very deep set eyes and like discoloration, so I usually put that on sometimes. If I'm filming I don't, but like if I'm gonna be out and about, I put this on. This is the lightest shade, so it's a little bit dark for me, but it just helps me feel a little bit more confident like being out and about. I just put my deodorant on, some DO for my BO. And that is it for my morning skincare routine.
This sugar's like thicker. Thanks for making cookies! Yum yum.
What do you think you're doing? How was it?
Good.
Good.
That's how you test your dough.
Now we're gonna put the dough in the freezer while we take our walk today, and putting in the freezer just helps the cookies be more like fluffy, right? Or it helps them stand taller or something. Yeah. I don't know. We've been recently just starting to freeze the cookies, and I quite like, or the cookie dough, and I quite like how it is. So we're gonna put it in a container.
You can make them in smaller batches too.
Oh yeah. So whenever you want to make cookies, you just take it out of the freezer, and it's like having ready-made dough all the time. So thanks, babe. Alright, right now we normally do our little walk after he's done working. So we walk around like 5 o'clock or so. We had a big storm and now it's like freezing. Ohio has like the craziest weather. It is just, we can experience all 4 seasons in one day. So we might just do a little walk because it got like super windy, and I do not want to get sick right now with just like, you know, that kind of sickness, like a cold or something. So I think we'll just do a quick lap. What do you think?
Quick lap, something.
Okay, let's go. Oh, come here. This is Socks, one of the feral cats. Usually she comes right up to us. Come here. Oh, there's Mathia. There's Miss Socks. Where's Mathia? She used to be covered in mats, and then someone shaved her, right? Oh, yes. My nose is running. We walked 0.80, so almost a mile, almost 2,000 steps. we're back from our walk and I'm gonna make dinner now. I'm gonna be doing like a simplified, like very simplified version of Singapore noodles today. Let's see if you can track me. Oh! I have some.
I already got them out.
Oh, you did? We're gonna do some noodle. Come here.
And me?
Well, yes, you don't have to. I'm gonna start some. I'm gonna do the noodles first. Do you want a lot of noodles?
Sure. I like noodles.
This would be very light, like not very like rice and noodles. Alright, looks like our water is coming to a boil. Drain the noodles. Hopefully you can follow me. She keeps like disconnecting. Because of dust.
There's one time.
Do some ginger. Trust me, and then a lot of curry powder. Alright, we'll add the chicken, season the chicken. Thanks to my boyfriend. Kind of turned into a gummy mess, but that's okay. We out here be trying. I'm not a big fan of like the bigger noodles, but I haven't made like Singapore style or like stir fry noodles in like forever, so take a bite. What do you think? Oh, good. Now we're gonna watch My Hero Academia. We just finished Full Metal Alchemist. Oh my gosh, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. So good. Watch it if you haven't. I know that's like an older anime, but I finally got around to watching it. Very good. These are the cookies we made. So good. What time is it? Minecraft time! Y'all no lie. I've been addicted to Minecraft and my boyfriend hasn't played with me in a while, so we're getting on and we're gonna play Minecraft. You can't see me, but yeah, it's 8 o'clock right now. We finished our dinner. We watched 4 episodes of My Hero Academia. It was really good. We just started it per my youngest brother's recommendation. Also fed the cats their dinner. Here's Mr. Arlo. He eats his food so fast, so we have this. Oh, hang on, here, let me move it for you. So we have to do like one of those slow feeders where he has to like work for it, which is why I do like snack time with that other like toy, because otherwise he just eats it so fast and he throws up. So there's Arlo. Let's go see Luna. Here's Miss Luna. Oh, you can't even see her. Oh, you got a thing on your tail. She's just a black blob. Hello, it's nighttime now, and I'm gonna be doing my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to be going in with the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Lipid Boost 360 Eye Cream. I got this in my Trend Mood box. I think this was like her second box or something like that. So this is a bit of a heavier eye cream, so I do this at night. And then I go in with my Curology. My formula got upped, so I have niacinamide, clindamycin, and azelaic acid in it. So this is what I put on, and you put Curology on only at nighttime. So I just kind of dot it on my problem areas first, just make sure I have product, and then I rub it in. Got Gotta put it in my eyebrows so I always get zits in my eyebrows. And that's literally all I do for my nighttime skincare routine. Like I said, it's the exact same thing that I was doing before when I filmed that. The cleanser that I use is the Proactive MD cleanser, which is the same cleanser that I've been using. But I think I'm going to talk about, again, kind of, and I did mention it in my one of my other videos, kind of the reason why my skin has gotten so much better. And I think it's actually due to me being on antidepressants. Since I'm not so stressed. My acne was stress related, actually. So I still do flare up. My acne is also hormonal as well, so that doesn't really help, but that's kind of, I mean, my skincare routine has been exactly the same. It's just the stuff that's going in my body and taking care of like the hormonal changes and just like my stress and anxiety and stuff like that. That's really what's helping out my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into bed here, put some PJs on, and get ready for the night.
Ever to me, 'cause in the eye of this hurricane, at the gates of eternity, I know if it's you and me,